Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class I am going to explain you a problems on groups. So let us proceed. For this problem, prove that G is equal to 1 omega square is a group with respect to multiplication where omega is the cube roots of a unity. In order to prove this is a group, we have to verify the four properties of a group. The first one is closure axiom. So closure axiom, here we are getting 1 into omega is equal to omega belongs to G. Omega into omega square is equal to omega cube, which is 1 belongs to G. Omega square into 1 is equal to omega square belongs to G. So the closure axiom is satisfied, because if you take multiplication of any two elements from G, they are also in G. After that, let us proceed for associative axiom. Here 1 into omega multiplied with omega square, that is omega into omega square, which is equal to omega cube 1. Again 1 multiplied with omega into omega square, that is 1 into omega cube, which is omega cube is equal to 1. It remains 1 into omega multiplied, then the result is multiplied with omega square is equal to 1 multiplied with the result of omega with the omega square, same. So the associative axiom is satisfied. After that, let us proceed for identity axiom. Here 1 into omega, which is equal to omega, omega into 1 is equal to omega. 1 into omega square is equal to omega square 1 into 1 is equal to omega square. That means 1 plays the role of a identity element. So the identity axiom is satisfied. Then existence of inverse or inverse axiom. Here 1 inverse is equal to 1 by 1, 1 belongs to G. If we take 1 inverse, this is 1 belongs to G. Omega inverse is equal to 1 by omega is equal to 1 into omega square, omega into omega square. This gives you omega square by omega cube, which is equal to omega square by 1. Omega square belongs to G. It means omega inverse is equal to omega square. Then omega square inverse of omega square is equal to 1 by omega square, 1 into omega square into omega by omega cube. Again omega cube is equal to 1, so belongs to G. So we are getting omega and omega square are inverse of each other. So the inverse axiom is satisfied. So all the four properties of the group are satisfied by G, hence G is a group. Now let us proceed for another problem. Prove that G is equal to 1 minus 1, I minus I, where I square is equal to minus 1 is a group with respect to multiplication. So let us verify the properties or group properties one by one for this set. So this set is 1 minus 1 I minus I, and we have to show that this is a group. First proof. Closure axiom. Here 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 belongs to G, minus 1 into I minus I belongs to G, I into minus I square minus of minus 1 is equal to 1 belongs to G. So in this way we will find multiplication of any two elements will be in G. So the closure axiom is satisfied. Then associative axiom. We have 1 into minus 1 into I. 1 into minus 1 into I is equal to minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. 1 into minus 1 I. So this is equal to 1 into minus I is equal to minus I. So 1 into minus 1 within bracket into I is equal to 1 into minus 1 into I. Minus 1 into I into minus I. This is equals to minus I into minus I is equal to I square is equal to minus 1. Now minus 1 into I minus I. This is equals to minus 1 into minus I square. This is equals to I square is equal to minus 1, etc. So the associative axiom is satisfied. It means any three elements you can take, you perform the associative condition, you will find they are equal for this group. Next, identity. Existence of identity. We have one into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. One into I is equal to I. 1 into minus I is equal to minus I. Similarly, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. I into 1 is equal to I. Minus I into 1 is equal to minus I. So this shows that one belongs to G, acts as the identity element of a G. So here 1 belongs to G will be treated as the identity element. Then existence of a inverse. We have 1 inverse is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1 belongs to G. Minus 1 inverse, 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 belongs to G. I inverse is equal to 1 by I. 1 into I by I into I. This is I by I square. I by minus 1. So minus I belongs to G. It means inverse of I is G minus I. Then minus I inverse. 1 by minus I is equal to 1 into I by minus I into I. I by minus I square. I by minus of a minus 1. I by minus of minus 1. I by 1 is equal to I belongs to G. So inverse of minus I is I. It means we get all the inverse here. Inverse of all the elements of G belongs to G. So inverse axiom surface. All the 4 axioms are satisfied. Hence, G is a group. So I have completed today's topic. In my next class, I will come with some new topic in group theory. Till then, thank you.